Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to make a little bit of a day in life for you all, where I'm going to showcase what I currently do at my agency, my daily life as a 18-year-old agency owner, which still goes to science school. So I had a bit of a late morning today. It's 7:30. I usually wake up at 6 because I was out last night with my friends. But now I am heading to the gym. I am going to hit chest, shoulders and triceps, so it's a push day. And I am going to see you guys very soon. So yeah, I'm just got home. It's 9:20 a.m. right now. But yeah, I'm home. I'm going to head shower, have breakfast, and then I'm going to get some work in because I have a video that I'm supposed to publish in 40 minutes. I will not have time for that because yeah, I just got home. But I will have it out as soon as possible for you all guys. But yeah, I will see you guys soon. And I hope you understand. I hope that you recognize this camera angle, because this camera angle, it's the best one in the whole of Sweden. But yeah, I will see you guys soon. Peace. So yeah, I'm back. As you can see earlier, I was outside, kind of watching my dog, but also finishing up this YouTube video. So here you can see I have made a beautiful thumbnail and also wrote description and have done everything. So yeah, the only thing now I have to do is post the video, and then I'm going to send out my message in my Discord server. And after that I have an bot build which I'm doing for, or as an MVP for a business that I'm going to have a pitch meeting for real soon. So that is really exciting. And yeah, so I'm going to go back to work and I will see you guys soon. So yeah, it's currently 12 and I have been working for like 2 hours ish, I don't know really. And I have published my YouTube video and I've also built out a bit on my MVP for the potential client which I told you guys about earlier. So it's been a real productive start of the day, but I have one important thing that I want to talk to you all about, and this is for my studies. So I'm 18 years old and I have started my agency and my company, and that is taking a lot of my time. And for the past like year or so, I have been really deep in trying to learn AI and just trying to build my skill set in general. And that's not just about AI; it's about economics, entrepreneurship, and everything in that like category. But I am also studying, and I'm not studying something easy. I'm fucking studying science, which is pretty crazy. So I wanted to talk to you guys all about how I balance my business with my studies. So I figure there is a lot of you that are in the same position that I am in right now. And what I do is like I'm fortunate enough to be able to do both this and study, because I'm not going to sit here and say I'm shit at school, but because I'm not. I have very easy. I find it very easy to learn new things, and I have like top grades, which is actually crazy because at the moment I'm not studying that much. So when I first started my science studies, I wanted to become a doctor, a surgeon. So I needed to study and I was really into that. But I've always also been like the techie guy, which wants to do something with tech, and I've always been interested in like coding and stuff like that. Even like I only know Python, but I've always been interested in stuff like that, in like development and shit. So yeah, so AI comes natural to me. But yeah, so what I'm trying to do right now is that I will continue my grade. So when I graduate, I have 1 year and a few months left till I graduate. So it's not that long. Because I don't want to drop out, because that would be such a waste, really. Which I know a lot of people do. They drop out because they want to focus on this, but I won't. So what I'm doing is that when I need to study, I study, and when I don't need to study, I work on my business, and that's literally it. So it's 12. I'm going to have some lunch soon, and at 2 o'clock I'm going to go play some tennis with a friend of mine. Yeah, and then I'm going to be back, and then we gotta watch the boys from United hopefully win the semi-final in the FA Cup. So I'm going to watch that match, and I believe I might have to do some schoolwork, but I'm not sure. Otherwise, I'm just going to continue grinding out this AI stuff. So yeah, we'll see you guys soon. So I got home from the tennis session like 1 hour ago, and now I'm watching the lads. That's the wrong lads. Hold up. The lads United, and they're playing against Coventry, and they are leading 1-0 after 32 minutes played. So yeah, we're going to the final, I hope. I'm not going to jinx that, by the way, but yeah. So I'm going to do a little bit of work while I watch this game, which is not optimal, but gotta do what you gotta do. So yeah, we'll see you guys soon. So I'm back again. I have built some chatbots, I developed my MVP and did some research for I don't know, maybe an hour. It's 6 now. The match is still going on, and we're going to Wembley for the final against City, and hopefully the lads are going to clinch that one, unlike last year. But yeah, I'm just going to need to finish up some paperwork for the launch of my agency. I'm really excited about that, to be honest, and more of that is coming soon. So yeah, for the rest of the day, when I'm finished with this, I'm going to hang out with my friends and family, and then I'm going to call it a night. So yeah, it's been honestly a quite productive weekend, and this day especially. I have been to the gym playing tennis, and also I've managed to get a few hours of work in, which is quite useful, and that helped me a lot. And I feel like I'm getting closer to my goals every day. And to all of you who are watching, I know that if you want to do something, that you can for sure 100% achieve whatever you want. For some of you who don't know me, my favorite music artist is Use World, and he said it the best. No matter what you want to do in life, you are going to achieve it. I can't say exactly what he said because his language was quite explicit. But yeah, I believe in you. I am rooting for you, and I am a living example that you can do both schoolwork and run your company or do whatever you want to do at the same time. I will see you guys soon, and yeah, take care.